Hey everyone, thanks for checking in on ParkRangerJohn.com. We are at the Swiftcurrent Motor Inn in Glacier National Park in Montana, and our room is in the Pinetop Motel section. We have 2 queen beds here. I will tell you, this room is not huge, but it's definitely functional, has everything you need. We just saw a mama grizzly and cub on our way in, coming up the Many Glacier Road. You can see the bathroom here. Turn the light on. And there's a shower stall, shampoo, conditioner, and body soap in the shower. And then let me pan and give you a look at how big the room is. They also have cabins and another section of hotel rooms. There is a small table here, a little coat closet. Back up, you can see John's feet.
Hi everybody.
And excuse our camera. There's not a lot of space. A little tiny dresser. And again, like I said, we are at the Swiftcurrent Motor Inn. I'm hoping this will focus so you can kind of get an idea. There is a restaurant and gift shop here. We're past the Many Glacier Hotel, and then there's some circles of cabins and a couple other motel rooms here. Keep an eye out on ParkRangerJohn.com for a ton of information on Glacier lodging and the hotels and even the campgrounds. Again, it's ParkRangerJohn.com for all of your Glacier National Park info.